Hey, I just thought I'd do a quick little review of the Falscara lash system by Kiss. I usually am a NYX Jumbo lash extension wearer. I just wanted to try this out because I watched so many videos. And the thing I liked about this is that you can actually wear them for up to 10 days. You can sleep in them. They're like lash extensions, and I thought that would be great if you were going away on a holiday. You don't need to continue to take off your lashes, reapply your lashes. I just thought it would be so great. And so, as an lash extension wearer, I thought that would be really cool. But no, it didn't work like that for me. First time I applied them, I slept in them overnight. I woke up and they were a glued, jumboed mess. It was terrible. And so I thought, well, you could put the overnighter. It's a separate thing that doesn't come in the kit, and maybe that'll make a difference. But because it doesn't come in the kit, I figured it's an extra and you don't really need it. So, hey, maybe that's why my experience was terrible. I decided to give it a go again, but this time I was gonna use the Jumbo Lash Clusters by NYX. You can use whatever lashes you want. You don't have to use the lashes that come in the kit. Use the same bond and seal that comes in the Kiss, a Falscara kit, and I thought maybe the lashes would be softer and maybe I could sleep in them and maybe it would be better. I haven't slept in them yet. That's actually what I'm wearing on my eyes right now, is the NYX Lash Clusters with the Falscara system, the bond and seal. But they're so hard to put on, their lashes or these lashes. I've seen so many videos and they make it look so easy. Trust me, it's not easy. And I've been wearing a lot of lashes, so I'm not like a newbie to this. I'm a newbie to this system, yes. I've had them on for half the day. I'm not loving them. I don't like the way they feel. I will definitely be going back to the NYX Jumbo Lash system, where it's just an eyeliner and then you put the lashes on top. It just sticks on the eyeliner. You don't even know you're wearing the lashes. I'll link the video here. You can watch that video. That's definitely my favorite. These are kind of bothering my eyes. Like, I think the product, the glue, is kind of bothering my eyes. And just the placement. I mean, they are under your lashes, not on top of your lashes. So they're closer to your eyeball, and I don't know, I just don't like them. I may try sleeping in them tonight just to see if these lashes made a difference, but yeah, no, this is a no for me. Sorry, Kiss. I don't even think I've seen a negative review on these, so hopefully this helps somebody out there considering using them. Hey, go try it out. You might have better luck than me. And if you love them, great. But if you don't love them, don't feel like you're the only one that didn't love them, because they're definitely not my style. Anyways, that's my review. Sorry, Kiss.